Hello doc, naweza nyonyeshaje wakati wa jua? How can you breastfeed in hot sun? So today I'm going to tell you about 5 breastfeeding tips for nursing in hot weather. So heat changes your body's rhythm, so you need to stay flexible. Number 1, nurse in shaded or hairy spots. Tafuta penye kuna uvuli. Number 2, offer shorter, more frequent feeds. Kwa sababu wakati wa jua kuna kupoteza maji mingi, there's dehydration, so you ensure that the child gets enough breast milk. Number 3, keep yourself hydrated every hour. Kwa sababu unampa mtoto maziwa, hakikisha kila wakati unakunywa maji ya kutosha or something liquid. Drink something liquid to nourish your fluid balance. Number 4, avoid direct sunlight or on baby's head. Number 5, cool wipes for your neck, which will give you instant refreshment. And don't forget to bathe, because hygiene is very important and is another way of cooling your body down. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. And this is forever your favorite Dr. Helen Clinic. Peace. See you later. Bye.